For sure, selling digital products is one of the best income streams if you pick the proper product you're gonna sell. Thus, in today's video, I'm gonna show 7 amazing ideas of digital products you can start with to make money online, and they are high in demand. So now, let's get started. And the first idea in our today's video, that is the poster that contains huge amounts of valuable ideas, information, tips and tricks, and so on. Like here on Etsy.com. So here you can find many of these sellers doing well, selling these such posters that contains tips and tricks, infographics, ideas, as you observe. So you can actually, or this one here, this posters, you can find many of these ideas that convey different concepts, tips and tricks, and the like. So how you can do these such beautiful posters to sell as a digital product or printable PDF, as you see, digital download. So anyone can use all these posters or all these PDF files, in other words, to print it out, and you can use in office, meeting rooms, on walls, and so on. So how you can make all these such beautiful posters? For sure, you can make these on ChatGPT, even in your free version or your free account. You can select from these 3 dots, this option, create image, and insert your prompt. And I get this one that talks about the deep effect of coffee to be alert, as you observe. An amazing concept in your poster. Or these such beautiful infographic or poster that contains valuable tips and tricks, like how to get organized in my life, and here it gives me this amazing infographic or this poster. And likewise this one, as you see, the best 5 tips to get a healthy gut. So amazing infographic or poster that you can sell to your customers in any platform you like. So you can sell all these posters as digital download in PDF format, and any customer can use them as his wants. So the first idea here, you can actually create all these infographics and these posters that contain information, valuable tips and tricks, and so on. And idea number 2, that for sure the coloring pages or coloring books. And for that, I'm gonna show you an awesome website you can depend on to create your coloring pages effortlessly. This website is clarifyai.art, where you can generate high quality coloring pages completely for free, either by convert your text or your prompt to coloring page, or by converting your photo to coloring page. And for sure, you can get all these ideas of your coloring books from ChatGPT or from your browsing on Kindle Amazon. So for example, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for getting ideas to create your coloring pages or coloring books for a specific niche or for a specific topic, like for yoga, kids, animals, and so on. And you can find many of these ideas. So you can get these prompts and convert this text to beautiful coloring page. And likewise, you can actually sell the stickers. Yes, you heard that right. Stickers are one of the best selling items on all print on demands, like on Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble, and so on. So for sure, you can provide all these stickers as a digital download. So how you can make all these stickers? Simply on the same website, clarifyai.art. Here in this homepage of this amazing website, you can head over to this option, other tools, and select this one, AI sticker generator, where you can convert your idea and your prompt to a beautiful and stunning sticker. So you can actually get all these ideas to create your stickers from ChatGPT as well. I gave me ideas of some incredible nursery stickers, and you can find tons of these ideas. So you can go deeper more in all of these ideas. Like this one gives me ideas of for animals, like these. So for sure, I just take one of these beautiful points, like for bunnies, copy and go to our website here and insert this prompt or this description, and click over this button, generate. And just a matter of seconds, here you can find a beautiful and a wonderful sticker, as you see. So you can download it without a watermark, and sell them in your PDF file as a digital download. So this digital product is highly demanded in all platforms. So you can pack a bundle of these stickers around a specific topic, like for animals, for nursery niche, and so on and so forth. And for that, I want to mention that I just packed for you 30 million digital products in PLR license that includes over 9 million PLR articles in many niches that you can use in your website to sell them as freelancer and affiliate marketing and the like, and 10,000 Canva templates for many niches. And the best part here, I just use all of them free elements, so you don't need a pro Canva account, so you can use them and customize as you want with your free account. And thousands of premium ebooks around many niches, much more and more and more of these digital products that blow you away. So you can find the link of this bundle down below in the description box and the first comment. Anyway, just you can proceed in our video about the ideas of digital products. So we can move on to the next idea, that is for sure the lead magnet. Nowadays, there are many companies that need these templates to grab many emails of the customers or the visitors of this platform and their websites and get their emails in exchange of a free guide, a free ebook, and so on. So here you can sell these templates for any industry as you like, for fitness, for nutrition, and so on and so forth as you see. So lead magnets or magnets is one of the most trending digital products you can go into. And the next idea to create your digital products here, as well here on Canva.com, for sure, that is planners. It's an evergreen digital product that you can sell as you want in every single niche you are working in. So here you can customize your templates here on Canva, and for sure you can find many premium planners in your bundle down below in the description box and the first comment. And the next idea here, you can create your digital product to sell like a pro, for sure, is flashcards for kids activities to make them learn faster, to remember different objects in an enjoyable and funny way. Here you can make your flashcards using these templates and sell them like rocket on different platforms like Creative Fabrica, Gumroad, Etsy.com, and so on. For sure, you can get millions of these ideas from ChatGPT as well, as you observe. And the next one, of course, is the ebooks. Ebooks, one of the best digital products that you can depend on to make your income stream regarding any niche you are working in. And for sure, I just talked about how you can create a viral ebook just with simple ways, simple steps. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. In addition, you can find in the bundle of 30 million digital products 10,000 of premium ebooks that you can sell as you own them. And the last idea to create your digital products here, and the most trending one, that says anniversary map. Here you can create a custom map for a couple or make them celebrate the first place they met, for example. So here they give you the inputs like the names, the location, and so on. And you can create these such beautiful anniversary maps. So how you can create these such maps as a digital download? For sure, in different websites like recraft.ai. You can get your info and your inputs from customers and make your prompt on ChatGPT and answer it here in recraft.ai, selecting this recraft v3 raw, and it gives you this amazing, stunning result. And for sure, it's a custom printable digital product. So for sure, you can create your own account on Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on to grab many traffic, so many people would contact with you in DM messages and ask for you these amazing maps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.